Hello Munchkins, what is up? I hope you guys are doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. Diwali is right around the corner. I am so excited. You all know how much I love the festive season. It is so colorful and हवा में कुछ स्पेशल बात होती है एंड स्पेशली आई लव माई बैकड्रॉप टुडे आई लव द एंटायर वाइब दिस decor I did it by myself and I absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the entire aesthetic of today's video. Alright, so Nykaa Diwali Dhamaka sale is now live and you can get up to 50% off on hair care, skincare and makeup, and I think you should definitely check it out because Diwali aa hi gayi hai and we all want to look our best, and what better than to shop during this sale where you get some amazing discounts and offers. So definitely check it out. Now in today's video I'll share how you guys can prep your skin and hair before Diwali, and not only Diwali, how you can prep your skin and hair for the wedding season as well. This video is going to be very helpful if you're going to attend a wedding this season, or maybe you're the bride to be. I think this video will help you get started. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so first things first, always start by cleansing your face. This is something I have been talking about for years now, and I cannot emphasize enough how important it is for you to first cleanse your face before you start putting on any skincare product. Now, cleansing your face will make sure that you have a clean canvas. That means you have a clean skin. It will also ensure that you don't have any dust or bacteria on your skin that would clog your pores and cause acne and pimples, because that is a no-no. So to wash my face today, I will use the Nykaa Naturals Tea Tree and Neem Purifying Face Wash. Now this face wash is very gentle on the skin and has a gel-like texture that does not dry out my skin at all. You see how instantly my skin looks very fresh and it did not dry out my skin at all. Now this face wash is very gentle on the skin and is quite affordable. So no matter what skin type you are, you can totally check this out. Next up, sheet mask. Now I personally love using sheet masks whenever I have a big event to attend and I want my skin to look very hydrated, glowy and moisturized. Then a sheet mask does the magic. It is also very travel friendly. If you're traveling and you don't want to carry 10 different skincare products, you can just simply use a sheet mask. And today I will be using the Garnier Sakura White Water Glow Sheet Mask. This instantly adds a glow to my skin and it's super quick, just 10-15 minutes and you're good to go. Make sure that you apply your sheet mask properly and it covers your entire face. Take the leftover serum and apply it on your neck and arms. Let the sheet mask sit for 10-15 minutes. You can even do a quick facial massage while your sheet mask is on. This will increase the blood circulation and make sure that the serum is well absorbed into the skin. Gently massage the leftover serum. After that's done, next I will use a few drops of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Now this is their best selling serum and I am totally in love with this. My mom loves this too. She has literally finished 2 bottles of this. Can you imagine? Honestly speaking, I don't use this serum every single day. इसको मैं alternative days पे लगाती हूँ. कभी I use this during the day or before going to bed. But one thing I want to mention about this serum is that you can use this in so many different ways. You can use this directly on your skin as a serum or just mix in a few drops with your foundation and it will make your foundation so beautiful and dewy. So what I'll do is I'll just add 2 to 3 drops of this. You can totally skip this step if you want to, or use any other serum that you might have just to add that extra glow onto your skin. I have another face serum that I want to recommend. Now this serum is not to add glow to your skin, but instead it is to target specific skin concern. If you have acne marks, dark spots, pigmentation, this serum is going to help you out. And I'm talking about the Dermaco 15% Niacinamide Serum. You see, I do have a few acne marks on this area of my face and this serum has been working really well on my skin. I earlier used to use the 10% niacinamide serum and it worked so well that I upgraded the concentration and now I'm using the 15% niacinamide serum. If you're struggling with the same issue of dark spots, acne marks, pigmentation, this serum is something that will definitely help you. It's again not a serum to add glow but to target specific skin concerns. Now I'm gonna go a step further and and add moisturizer on top. Now I live in north and यहाँ पे ठंडा होना शुरू हो चुका है and my skin has been feeling extremely dry during this transition from summer to winter. My skin has been just struggling a lot, so I'm just popping on moisturizer every 3 hours or so. If you don't live in north and अगर आपकी skin dry नहीं हो रही है, you can skip this step. But in my case, my skin it's just feeling extremely dry, so I will add some moisturizer. And anyhow, before makeup, if you add moisturizer, it is always a plus. It will make sure that your makeup looks flawless and beautiful. So I have two options right here with me. This one is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin E Rich Moisturizer. This is a very thick moisturizer, you guys. It has a balm consistency and it's perfect for people who have extremely dry skin. But if you have oily skin, combination skin, and you don't want to use a very thick moisturizer, then you can totally use the Clinique Moisture Surge. This has a gel consistency, super lightweight on the skin, and it gets absorbed instantly. As mentioned, I will be using the Bobbi Brown moisturizer today. On my lips, I will be using my holy grail, my favorite lip balm from Sugar Cosmetics. This one is in 03 Pina Colada. इसको मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस में यूज़ किया है. I even like to carry this around in my bag, and I like to apply a thick layer so my lips are well prepared for the lipstick I will be applying later. To make my skin look luminous, I will be using the MAC Strobe cream, and this one is in the shade Pink Light. To mix this with my foundation or just simply apply it on bare skin and I'm good to go. ये इतना प्यारा सा हाईलाइट देता है फेस को. इट मेक्स योर स्किन ग्लो लाइक अ गॉडेस. सो आज I'll just apply it on the highest points of my face, that is on my cheekbone, on my nose, forehead right here, on my chin as well, and make sure to blend it. An affordable option of the MAC Strobe cream is the newly launched Lakme Lumi cream. Pretty much does the exact same thing and it's pretty affordable as well. Now I want to share a few hair care products that have been working really well for my hair, and I'm sure it will work great for you as well because these products are definitely a must-have in everybody's vanity. I want to talk about this shampoo conditioner from L'Oreal Paris. This one is their Basics Biotin Enforcer shampoo and conditioner. If you have thin hair that breaks very easily like I do, these products will save your life. I have been using these for months and they are just working so great for my hair. I've seen a huge difference in my hair fall. Also, my hair feels much shinier, softer. I've seen a huge difference in my hair fall as well. Now, after I wash my hair, I always like using the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Hair Serum. You guys know already how much I love this particular serum. You can use this as a heat protectant before applying heat on your hair. You can use this to detangle your hair, add shine. It also controls frizz and whatnot. So this overall is just a product that everybody should own. I absolutely swear by this product and it's just beautiful. आज भी मैंने इस बालों को सेट करने के लिए I have used this serum. And lastly, if you want your hairstyle to last for a really long time, for example, आपने curls किए हैं and you want your curls to stay for a really long time, definitely check out the L'Oreal Paris Elnet Satin Hair Spray. A lot of professional hairstylists swear by this product and so do I. It just works really well. What I like to do basically is I like to spray some product on my hand like so. And I like to tame my baby hair and just go like this. Alright you guys, this is the final look. You see how nice my skin looks just because I prepped my skin right. मुझे primer तक लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी because my skin was prepped really well. I love how my skin looks today. I love the entire makeup look. Now that everything is done, a last step I will do is I'll use the Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water just to make sure that all the powder is settled down and my skin and my makeup looks fresh all day long. Make sure to check out these products during the Nykaa Diwali Dhamaka sale where you can get up to 50% off. So make sure to make most out of this sale and grab your favorite products to achieve a beautiful flawless looking skin and makeup during Diwali. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. All the products will be linked in the description box below. Share this video with your friends and family, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.